Hello everyone, this is Gajanand and you are watching Take Rudransi. In this tutorial, I will teach you carousel slider in Bootstrap 4, right? So let's create a project and understand carousel slider in Bootstrap 4, right? And these are the images we will use in our applications for image slider, for carousel slider, right? So this is my empty blank project, right? And here we will write a code to understand carousel slider. So let's put it a div and give it a ID of this div, right? For making a carousel slider, you can put any slider, my slider. You can put any ID of your slider, right? And put it as some classes. And class you have to give a carousel slider, carousel, carousel and slide, right? And also you have to give some other attributes to this div. So data, right, should be carousel, carousel, right? And inside this div we have to give we have to make another div and put it a class, and class should be a c carousel inner, right? Control S for save. And also in this div we have to make another div, and this div has a class which is a carousel item, right? And inside we have to make a image tag src, and here we will give a path of our images. So put it alt tag and give a path of our images, but currently we didn't have any images in our project. So these images we have to copy and paste in our application. So let's copy and go to your project. So where it is, go to htdoc, and my project name is tutorial, which is this one, right? And here we have to create a new folder and give it a name images, and paste that images here, right? So now we have three images: slide 1, slide 2.jpg, slide 3.jpg, right? So let's put a path of our images. So this is slide 1. So let's copy and paste this block of code. Let's copy. This is a slider 2, and this is this is a slider item 2, and this is slider item 3. So let's change the path of our images. This is slide 2.jpg and slide 3.jpg, right? And you can also put a any title. So this is image 1 for SEO purpose, image 1, and this is for image 2, and this is image 3, right? So let's run this application and see how it looks, right? So this is our output. When we refresh, you can see you can see nothing, right? Because we have to give one up item, right? We have to make active of our item. So put it active, control S for save, and first image we can see, right? So when you refresh, you can see your first image, right? If you make active to this one, right, control S for save, so you can see another image active, right? So control S, we want first image, right? So let's refresh, so you can see, right? Next thing, we want to add a controller, right? When we click, image should be changed, right? So for that we have to give we have to make we have to make a link, right, to control image left to right, right to image. So put it a tag, and a tag should be close, and href. So href, this is the target element where we want to target. So put it hashtag and copy this id, just copy and paste it here, right? So control S for save, and give some classes to this link. So give class carousel, and carousel control previous, right? And its role should be button, right? And data slide, should be previous. Control S for save, and let's refresh the page. When we click, images are changing, but we are not able to see any icons it here. But when you click it here, it's nothing working, right? It here. So let's see first this one, right? When we are clicking to right side, it's not working, right? And when we click on here, it's working, right? So this one is not working from right side. So let's make this one to work, and then we will add some icons, right? So let's copy and paste this same link it here and put it to a next next, and this next copy and paste it here, right? So carousel control next. So this is for previous and this is for next. So let's refresh. When we click, it's working. When we click, it's working, right? Both the sides is working, but we didn't have any icons, both the sides, left and right icon. So for that, what we have to do, inside this link, right, we have to make a icon, right? So span tag, span should be closed, and give some classes. So class carousel control, control, and control should be previous icon, control S for save, and let's see. So you can see this is icon, right? So likewise we have to also we have to make in right side too. So let's copy this one and paste it here, and this is for next icon. So you have to put it next, and you can see both the sides, yeah, right? But images are too large, right? So we have to make images too small. So we have to adjust the size of images in CSS, and you can use Photoshop and anything manually. So I'm using a CSS. So this is a class, this is a ID, right? So this is a ID, and inside this ID, this div, right, we have a images, image, and images, right? So this is ID, and inside we have images. So set the width and height of these images. So width should be 100%, right? 100%, and height should be 300 pixel, right? So control S for save, and let's refresh. So now you can see the controls. When you click, yeah, it's look perfect, right? Yeah, it's looking nice, right? So this is called carousel slider. If you are have any doubts and questions, you can ask in comment sections. I'm always be here, right? So to give answer. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye, take care, have a nice day.